In this video, I'll show you how to make a cinematic spiral zoom in Premiere Pro. So to start off, you'll need an image you can zoom into a little bit before we get started with the effect. This is because the rotation from the spiral zoom causes the black edge of the photo to expose at the edge of the screen, which ruins the effect. Begin by placing the playhead at the start of the image and decide what in your image you want to focus on. For me, it's going to be this bird. Double-click the preview screen and a blue circle will appear. This is your anchor point and will be the focus of our effect. Click and drag the anchor point blue circle to the subject you want the focus to be on. Now go over and click the stopwatch icon for both scale and rotation, and then move the playhead to about the 10-second mark in your photo. Increase the scale by 20 points and the rotation to about 10 degrees. You can also move the two keyframes at the end closer to the beginning to speed up the spiral zoom effect. That's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.